Hey girl, Ma, what's up? I got some tea. What? Yeah. Alright.
Hi, currently you are witnessing me rushing out of classroom because if you're a student, you will understand the trauma of being in that website after school ends. Anyways, then I put on some Netflix, eat my lunch. You should be jealous of me. Totally, that's fine because I am having chow mein, which comes straight from the birthland of the pandemic, China. Xing shuang shua. Anyways, I'll not do that again. I promise. Anyways, now I am eating my lunch, and yes, I eat my lunch on my study table all by myself. Everyone in my family does that. I am not missing on the quotation quality family time quotation end. Okay, I'm about to do something really weird. Oh no. Come on, if you don't do that and you watch Friends, are you even normal? I don't think so. Go get a therapist. Yes, Javneet beta. High time that you come out of your fantasies. I feel sorry to break your little bubble, but you still are a 10th grader. Please do not forget that. You still have pending assignments that you need to turn in. And I should stop complaining actually because every CBSE student goes through this trauma. Anyways, can't really do anything about it. Here is me trying to turn in a Hindi Anuched that had been assigned to me. Yes, I took notes on my phone and my laptop and not on my notebook, which was a huge mistake. Do not make that mistake. Take handwritten notes only. Like, that's something that I prefer. I don't know why I was stupid enough to do that. Then here is me trying to do some math assignment. Thingy is something I say a lot, isn't it? Anyways, maths is something that I need practice in because it is some subject that gives me anxiety and we do not like anxiety. This, ladies and gentlemen, is called determination that I hardly and proudly gathered just to get to the playground. Because I'm not a very outdoors person. Siblings tagged along. Anyways, I play a sports here, which if by chance recognized by Olympics, I will be the gold medalist. I'm not even lying. Arey, I swear I'm the best at this sports. And guess what? I'm a terrible player at playing catch too because I am not an outdoors person. Stop posing. Now you will witness my little brother giving up and realizing that he is not a great player either. Too soon, Meherwan. A monkey, just like my siblings. A very rare sight in the region where I live, so I was very excited. Monkey! Baby monkey! Monkey mama ke partner. Allow my brother to guide you to a nursery that we have been having regular trips to recently because my mom is very interested in gardening. What I realized with this little trip that I had is that it was very much needed. I'm a very indoors person and this really helped me calm down, so I can see myself having more of these in the future. After coming home, I was craving a snack and this is what I usually do in the evenings. I toast some bread butter with salted wala butter. Don't burn yours, guys. Be a better cook, please. Then I spread Nutella. Usually people spread peanut butter, but I
hate peanut butter more than anything on earth.
So I spread Nutella. Upar se I sliced some banana and yours will be aesthetic. Mine was not.
Get over it.
Then I lit my current favorite scented candle, which we'll be talking about later.
Get lost.
Okay. Yay! A hot shower in fall with a candle sounds so soothing, right? I know. This is my current favorite candle. Nira India sent me this. Stuff I love about it is that it is 100% beeswax candle. It's free of chemicals like lead and zinc, which are commonly found in candles, even of Bath and Body Works, on which, yes, you splurge thousands of rupees. Then it is also a perfect gift for your loved ones this festive season because the burn time is 35 long hours and the packaging is also 100% recyclable. What are you waiting for? Mark the name, Nira, and definitely check the description for their details. After that perfect shower, I did some mathematics. I need practice in this, guys. I am not doing very well in maths, and I know most of you are not. I read the comments, Nothing to hide. Okay, Chippy, calm down. Yeah, I did mathematics. Boring. You can be jealous moment 2.0. I'm having pizza for dinner, but actually it's a problem. I can't stop having junk food nowadays and I'm not liking it much. Anyways, here's me multitasking, chatting with my friend, watching YouTube, having dinner, all at the same time. That is me doing a face mask. I know I look very, very weird. You do not have to point that out. Leave it aside. Don't judge me. Actually, I don't even blame you for judging me anymore. Look at me. Anyways, then I go on my terrace, have a little musical walk, confuse the hell out of my neighbors by dancing all by myself, vibing with my shadow sometimes. How weird is that? But actually, it's really cool. When you learn to vibe with yourself, there is no going back, I swear. Well, that's that for today's video. Then starts my night routine, which is a totally different video. The comment question for today's video will definitely be, tell me your favorite scent. Mine is sandalwood. Do not forget to check Nira candles out. All the links will be in the description. They are really good and I have been enjoying them a lot. That's that for today's video. Bye.